lens. Oh boy. Time change. Take 75, right? Okay guys, we're out here in the shop. Just got home from work. It's dark out already, so that kind of sucks. But anyways, this is kind of just an update video. And before I get started, I want to wish everybody a early happy Thanksgiving. I hope everybody gets to spend time with their family and all that good stuff. So the shelf build that's going to happen here in the next day or two, that video will be coming up after this one. And I just wanted to give you a little bit of updates. I got some lights underneath this loft, so it looks a lot better now. So let's look at it. So those are just three 36-inch LED lights, and you can either wire them in series or, like I just will wire them, you know, some receptacles on each end, just plug them in. They are a Utilitech light. These are the cheapest ones I can find, and these are the specs on them. They're 3,000 lumens. They're plenty bright. So when I do get the workbench in, which is going to go about 6 inches or so below those electrical boxes right there, all the way around, and this will move over just a little bit to the right, and that should give me a pretty good work area, work surface for bench wise. And the way I'm going to do the benches are going to be, it's going to be 3 2x10s together, so you know, you figure 30 inches out, so that'd be plenty wide, and like I said, there's plenty of surface area. But we are going to do the shelf out here. I know on a video or so ago I had talked about maybe just building the shelf in the house because I needed some places to put all the canned goods that I have from out of the garden and all that good stuff, but that could be another project. I'm going to go ahead and just finish this 100% out here. That way all my storage area that I need is done, and I have plenty of it. The loft is only probably 2/3 full, and if I organize it, it's probably only half. You know, stuff is, it's not just thrown up there, the stuff is up there. There's a few more things I'd like to get up there, but that'll come in time. So shelf will help a lot because I can move some of that stuff and organize that. I'm going to do the first shelf about 36 to 40 inches high, so I can slide the generator, my smoker, all that stuff that's kind of tall underneath that, and it's up underneath the shelf and out of the way. And then the next project, it's coming down the road, which hopefully sooner than later, is getting this wood burner installed. So that's about it as far as the shop goes. Just have to save up a little money to get I want to get the ceiling done before spring because I have an issue with birds coming in here, and I don't want to get this all organized and cleaned up, and then the birds come in and, you know, do their deed all over the place, and I just don't want that anymore. So I definitely got to get the ceiling on it. Hopefully I can get that done before springtime. All right guys, this was just an update video of things to come, and wishing you guys a happy Thanksgiving. And I do ask if you like this channel. We do all kinds of projects. We deal with the animals. It's a lot of homesteading, a lot of hobby farm stuff, hence the name, and everything in between basically. So if you like that, please think about subscribing. If you like this video, this update video, smash that like button, and I'll catch you guys later.